What's up, guys? So we're back with another video. Today is another update on investing $20 every 15 days in Bitcoin. As you guys know, for the past 2 months I have been dollar costing Bitcoin and to see what the results are. And since a lot of people are investing in Bitcoin, such as BlackRock is getting its own ETF in BTC, and on top of all this, Bitcoin halving has happened, so a lot of people are just starting to get into BTC, and there's been a lot of projects that's been going on top of BTC. A lot of people don't like it because they don't see a future, but with BTC, many say it's the future of currency. So all of this is what's giving BTC the spotlight for it to grow. So with old money coming in, new money getting added to it, the potential for BTC to grow to the 6 digits, it's really likely to happen. And around the world, there has been a lot of people that have been using BTC for good. For example, in El Salvador, where BTC is being implemented in their daily transactions. And on top of this, there's also other big countries that has similar amounts of shares to Bitcoins as us. All of this is what's giving BTC its power to grow. Let me just show you guys my results and show you guys how much our investments have been doing. As you guys know, we just been using Coinbase, so let's just open the app Coinbase. As you guys can see, at current times, Bitcoin is at $61,000. We're still waiting for its 6 figures. In the last month, it went from 72 to 59,000 at its lowest. I know that's gonna hurt. Overall, in the last year, this is what long-term investment is really where it's at. So as you guys can see, it went from 24K to 73K at its highest, and we're now at 61. It's gotten a 117% in the last year. If you guys were here when it first started at 24, you guys were in luck. Overall, let me just show you guys my results. Let me show you guys how much money was spent. As you guys can see, I don't lie, these are all the investments that we've done. Everything is just consistency. So I added up all the numbers and currently are sitting on 0.00229663 of Bitcoin, and this amount has come to a total of $140 with 67 cents in our capital at the moment. I bought some at its highest point, which I know it's not the best where you're supposed to sell at high and buy low. As you guys know, dollar cost averaging, that's how it works. Sometimes you buy it at the highest point and sometimes you buy it at its lowest. So overall, expectations for Bitcoin is that it's still going to grow. It still has a long way to go. You're probably thinking, am I late? To be honest, the best time to start is right now, because if you're thinking about timing the market, it's where you're wasting time, and time is money. So it's just better to invest right now, and that's the reason why I'm just showing you guys the results. But before you guys do anything, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. So if you're thinking about doing this and you're thinking about balling out all your investments or savings in Bitcoin, just do your research first, or do the same thing as I'm doing. I'm just dollar cost averaging. And overall, like I said, Bitcoin still has a long way to go. If you like these videos that I'm doing, really think Bitcoin is gonna get to its 6 figures, comment down below. Bitcoin is the future, so I know you guys are with me. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to help your boy out. Overall, I hit you guys another time, and we're out. Deuces.